Brace yourselves for this one. Healthcare expenses in the United States average over $12,500 per capita. Yes, you heard that right. It's a staggering amount, isn't it? But don't fret. There are ways to invest in your health and, in turn, reduce these medical expenses. Here's how. Firstly, take a proactive approach to your health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep are 3 pillars of a healthy lifestyle. These not only enhance your physical well-being, but also your mental health. They can help prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer, which can save you a fortune in medical bills down the line. Secondly, consider obtaining a health insurance policy. Yes, it's an investment, but one that can protect you from high medical costs. It's like having a financial safety net. Look for a policy that suits your needs and budget. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive plan, but the one that offers the best value for your money. Thirdly, take advantage of a health savings account, or HSA. This account allows you to save money, tax-free, for qualified medical expenses. The best part? The funds roll over from year to year, and you can even use them in retirement. Quite the win-win situation, wouldn't you say? Lastly, don't forget about preventive care. Regular medical checkups can detect potential health issues early, when they're usually easier and less expensive to treat. Many insurance plans cover preventive services at no cost to you, so make sure to utilize this benefit to its fullest. So, to sum it all up, invest in your health by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, obtaining a suitable insurance policy, making good use of a health savings account, and prioritizing preventive care. Doing so can help you reduce those daunting healthcare expenses. And remember, health is wealth. So invest wisely and you'll reap the benefits in the long run. And thanks for joining us today. And as always, come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.